Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the best input possible. Open the blurred Google image in a new tab and save the highest resolution copy. This reduces lost data. Once done, keep an untouched backup named Image Original. JPG so you can compare results. Make sure to identify the blur. Is it Gaussian softening, directional motion blur, or blocky compression? That matters because the tools and parameters you choose next change based on blur type, and choosing the right path saves time. Now you perform the core restoration steps. First, apply a moderate sharpen and a mild contrast curve to reveal initial edges. This prepares the image for deconvolution. Next, run a deconvolution algorithm, Wiener for noisy cases, Richardson-Lucy for motion, using an estimated blur kernel. Tweak kernel size gradually. Also, use layer masks so you only enhance blurred areas and avoid amplifying clean regions or noise. These combined steps recover detail while keeping artifacts under control. Finish by cleaning artifacts and refining texture. After deconvolution, run a spatially aware denoiser to remove amplified noise, then reintroduce micro detail with a high pass layer blended at low opacity. This preserves natural texture. Compare to Image Original, JPG as you go, and export incremental saves. If outputs look over-sharpened or details are missing, reassess your blur kernel estimate and try a different algorithm, or test a modern neural.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.